dear Koso Ewabato Emo. Director of Advocacy and Policy Engagement, CDD Ghana, Kojo Asante Pumpuni, Ninsembia or Diatu Join says Ghana this year, Ebenya Hotoso and a GDA, Ewabato no Emo, DNA here, pass Abato Commissar, do baby dear Siabatuono, or Magana this year.
Advocacy and Policy Engagement, CDD Ghana, Kojo Asante Pumpuni, Kasa, Ewo Jumedia, Parliament Network Africa. Eye ede guidelines emma emabunu ene omanfo efa electoral justice hono what the futu say emma electoral commission
na ye make sure say omobenya the right information say uko polling station say na say ukoto aba we are say na say security arrangements this be no from now on you repeat this information because no na emma my piece back because we be at in Wasia. Who be beer when did I say they say see. Yes, we can be enough will be back. I said there be as will be so we more announced because on TSM Nase. In Tianuna, yes, this short time electoral commission on uses our opportunity.
Executive Director Emma Parliament Network Africa Sami Obin enso edituja emfaso ewo aye meeting a womuhia mebunu no ene omanfo efa guidelines a womde egu akwam sene omanfo enso ensabit miaka information.
One is to deepen our collective understanding on the guidelines and their practical implementation within the Ghanaian context. Number two is to explore and strengthen the proactive disclosure practices necessary for a transparent electioneering process. And then, of course, to empower youth representatives, particularly from student parliament who have been invited here.
Sanso Sowen Asrebo Kweku no Director of Training Ewabato Commissar Headquarters one so Shaman Yukwa Hodo Maigan and Yanamu Boy Kanka one more and found so people agent Quantin Crow a pretty brewomuna was Shamobo, so one Kuma and Tomo Yampa, a Sansa and check round voter registrar, registry, voter register, one more as summary, no what Nina Babadan, one more no domain at Humadansia.
Training Director, our Electoral Commission Headquarters, Dr. Srebo Kweku. Ediato Adom News in Central for enim say womo edin hihye awodo egu akwam anyame yadoma December busumim abato ebekoso no bibia adana akwam.
The next one say be distribution ye dey man beko pouring regions on to the district and after are ready for and by 2nd December be special voting na 7th December ye main elections no.
Osan editu dwa say
the demom contain every voter be oto about polling station bia. Emransi mom registers and final registers no ene da mom no. Ba dem kaza no say YouTube say omuhia e de mom nti ye ho adwuma